this all day. So I chased down the mailman. And now we got the package. So, if you're enjoying my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And we are about to open the said package I just chased down the mailman for. Alrighty, you guys. He still had quite a few stops until he got here. But here's my very dinged up package. God, they really destroyed this box. Okay. I have been waiting. Why is it so destroyed? I feel like I should be really concerned with this packaging right now. See how the contents inside of it are. Did I bring a knife? No. No, I was too excited. Why? You gotta get his hands. Oh my gosh. I'm right-handed, but I predominantly use my left. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. So we've got a couple of visors. Looks like the clear one is what's on it right now. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, it's full of a bunch of fun gadgets and gizmos. Okay. First step is taking this visor off. Ooh, it's got a cool sliding thingamajig. You just push this button in. The reason I'm taking this visor off immediately is because I want black in it no matter what, so. Clear is not the go for me. Okay. So it came with two different visors. This one is the clear one. It's cute and all, but not what I want. Here is, oh my god, it's sparkly too. So here's the helmet. And here is the black visor that we're gonna put on it. Oh my gosh, this is like so cool. It's like Christmas. This isn't black, what? Wait, is there not a black visor though? No, I don't have black. I have better. Oh my god, you can't even see what it is. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay. So there's that. It's just a little rough. Boom. Okay. Next we've got, what is in here? The ears. Oh, that's so freaking cute. Oh my god. I love. Okay. So the tools for it are right here. Instructions who? Not I. Okay. Okay, maybe 2 instructions. Got these little stickers. Okay, what are these? Oh, they go over it to cover the screw holes. Okay, cool. Okay, so there's 4 screws? Are these extra screws? I'm confused. Okay, we'll see. I guess. She's sparkly and cute. I'm glad it's not. I was worried they would be like gigantic, like, you know, like look funny weird. That's so cute. Okay, got those fastened on pretty good. Okay, let's make sure they're really on there. They gave me the smallest screwdriver. Hey, but at least they gave me one. A lot of these, they'll be like, no screwdriver for you. Okay. Oh, maybe I should have put this in here. Where does this go? What is this? What is this? Where did this go? It doesn't show anything. Is this for your face? What is this? Where does this go? I think this is a mouth. Yeah, that's what that is. Okay, so I have an interchangeable mouthpiece too for some airflow. So that's kind of cool. It's pretty cool. This one actually just slides open. So it's kind of dope, not gonna lie. Okay, so here she is. That's so cute. She was supposed to have a black visor, so I'm a little bit confused, but I can't complain because I did want an iridescent one. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so now we have the Bluetooth part. This is just a covering. Just threw the bolt and the other bolt. Break. Oh my gosh. That's what excitement gets ya. Okay. There it is. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna set these over here. Okay. So there's this circle covering that goes on top to cover this screw so it doesn't look like bogusly stupid. Just kind of pop it in place. Suppose. Let me just use the back of the screwdriver because I've got these fingernails. I think that stays. Okay. And then there's also this, and they give you extras too if you break it, lose it, whatever. I'll definitely like round as I ride. Okay. This is where it gets tricky. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely assume this is left ear. So we're gonna this definitely is different from why is there an A on there? It's different than what was actually like shown on the thing, but it's fine because it's really not that different, but it is slightly different. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna go into here. I do like the fasten that it has. It has the same one on my other helmet, and I like that. Okay, so this, and okay, they're Velcro. Also different than the, okay, all right. So we're gonna put the soft side in. It goes in the ears, right? Well, let me figure out where my ears go in the helmet, actually. First and foremost. Oh, yeah. She's heavy. She's so cute, though. I love her. Oh, good grief. It fits. Okay. Yeah, so those are gonna hide right in here. I don't want to place them wrong. I want them right where my ear is. Yeah. Yep. Got me looking all crazy right now. Okay. I don't want to freaking chip this. Huh. Wonder how sticky this is. You better be sticky. Better be sticky. Okay. We're gonna see how well this works. Because if they're not even loud, then I'm not gonna hear them over my bike because my exhaust says meow, meow, meow. Okay, got that on. I've gotta put these pieces on the back of this. Also, my legs are shaking from holding this stupid thing up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Comes with a bunch of fun little pieces though. Well, Velcro is kind of stupid, but kind of not. It's convenient, but it's not. Smart, but dumb. She's dyslexic for this. My brain's like, which way is left? Okay. Gotcha. Make a wish. Oh yeah. Okay. So this side. What the hell? Left side. Push it in. Okay. And where exactly am I supposed to put this cord? Because, I don't know. Guess just in the top. Okay. Okay. And then you can just casually stick this out, I guess. How do you turn it on? Power's on. Okay, we're gonna put it on and we're gonna put this to test. I feel them. I'm about to see if I can hear them. I'll come back to you in just a minute. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure if my mic is this or this, but I will say that these actually are louder than crap.